sir. I'm Rajesh Kumar, a mechanical engineering graduate with more than 2.5 years of experience in a system support, where I can focus on system monitoring and troubleshooting issues on hardware, software. And then we have specialized in various DevOps tools and technology with expertise in AWS technologies and container orchestration with Docker and Kubernetes. And configuration management was using Ansible, and in infrastructure it's a code using Terraform. I design and implement the CI/CD pipeline using a Jenkins. It will automate the software build and deployment. And both the combination of my mechanical background with the DevOps skills, I'm able to solve the complex problem and automate the process. I'm eager to apply my expertise to make a tangible impact. I'm thankful to the Rajesh for the exceptional DevOps engineering training and the placement support. The training program was well structured and covering all key DevOps tools and concepts with a hands-on experience that helped me to the confident in the real-world application. The trainer was so highly knowledgeable and provided in-depth knowledge, ensuring the clarity and the complex topics like AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and CI/CD pipeline. They are the practical assignment and the project made me a significant impact on my learning journey. Moreover, the placement support team play a crucial role in my guiding through the interview preparation, and then the resume building and the job referencing, and then finally securing associate DevOps in Trinity Mobility Private Limited in Bangalore. Previously working in a non-IT background like a system support, I transitioned into the full-time DevOps role. I quickly learned new tools and technology like AWS DevOps and Docker. Previously in a mechanical background, we have a problem-solving skill. In a DevOps, we have various tools and cloud technology. Both the combination of this will make me handle the complex situation more efficiently. Like after the course completion, they provide like a placement training, like a mock interview and mock test. After attending the various types of industry, basically I'm a fresher point of view. This is one of the exciting part in my career life. They weekly provide 3 or 4 companies, then apply. First 3-4 companies we are failed in the first round, second round. After that, like a 10 to 12 company, finally achieved in final interview. I got a place in well-reputed companies. And the training program was well structured and covered key DevOps tools and concepts. They also provide hands-on experience that helped me to the more confident on that one. Out of 10, we provide a 9, so the training was very good.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.